channel. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows. Now we're going to move on to eyeshadow. I'm going to take this shade in my Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette called Access, and I'm just going to place that in my transition area. I'm doing like a sort of swivel, or like, I don't know how to really describe it, but I'm just creating like an extreme wing. Like, that's the look I'm going for. It's real dramatic. And I'm going to drag that slightly past my eyebrow. Being as though this color is really light, I'm going to really pack it on so that you can see the pigment. Going back with that same palette, I'm going to take the shade Secure and place that just below Access. And I'm also going to pack this shade on my eyelid as well, just so you can see all the pigmentation. And this is a new trick that I learned. You take your Vaseline and some cotton swabs and you just trace or outline the area that you want to disappear. And once you have Vaseline applied to that area, you go ahead and you take a tissue, a paper towel, a rag, whatever you want to take, and you just wipe that area off. I could not believe that this actually worked. I saw one of the girls that I follow who does makeup, I saw her do this, and I was like, nah, I gotta try it. So I tried it and it actually worked. And guys, I think I'm going to continue to use this method because it just makes the look, you see, it just makes it look so like, it's like a clean cut, like a clean cut crease. I love it. This is perfect if you use like eyeshadow base as like eyeshadow, or just to have a clean, clear application for eyeshadow base, as I'll show you in the next clip. But it just went on so smooth. The eyeshadow base didn't lose its color. It stayed white, you know, like, I love it. And at this point I realized that I needed to apply more eyeshadow base kind of like below my eye and below my wing, just because of the look that I was trying to go for. I'm going to take my Morphe X Manny MUA Glam palette and use this brownish burgundy shade called Spellbound to make the wing. I also applied this same exact shade over top of Secure just to deepen up the eyeshadow, because you couldn't really see the shade Secure, so I wanted to make it more dramatic. I'm also going to apply Access and Secure underneath of Spellbound. And at this point I wasn't really too sure where this look was going. But I just decided to move on, and I'm just going to take Access and Secure and place that on my mid to outer eyelid. Next, I'm going to take Secure and place that in the winged area, which is like my outer eyelid. And I just took the white shade Flashback out of my James Charles palette and just placed that in my inner eyelid. Now I felt like this look was coming together.
Everything litty, I love when it's hot.
Next, I'm going to take my Stella Gold Goddess glitter and just trace the area that I cut and just create like a wing. It's like a wing outline. This look is different for me because I never really tried anything as dramatic as this. Like, I know like the wing is really dramatic, like it's far past my eyebrow, but I just wanted to try something new, something fun and creative, and I hope you guys really do enjoy this look. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to click that bell. And at this point, you could see I started to feel myself a little bit too much because I felt like the look was finally coming together. But this is just how it looks. Can't you see? Oh my gosh, it's shining, period. Like, yes. And this is just a close-up of how everything looks. Shining, boy. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply some lashes and my foundation and some highlighter. And hold on, I'll be right back.
She said, you can't know what I've done. You can't go where I'm from. Your lips can lie, but your eyes can't hide. You're too young. You're too young.
She wants your name in the oil. Only doing cash app, don't need promo.